friendship find them. And Alka have him own family and friend them and him whole thing I deal with. Me if you're a big friend from, I don't know Alka, bro. You see it? I don't know Alka, me Alka no, bro.
A few moments later.
One gave in. Listen to me now, and this may help you. We need a public apology from you to CJ Milan. You go up on your platform, One gave in, and publicly apologize to CJ Milan.
Jesus, please! It's like, no man!
Me say, I saw me know say that boy One gave in a idiot, you know. Watch him. Before this man, try to friend CJ Milan and see if CJ Milan can even find him a little apartment for him live. One gave in, you fucker, yo.
Yo, popcorn, you hear me? Stop make them play butt up and catch you their life, me youth, you see?
One eternity later.
Some of the are prayer thing, you know, me I wonder if a Alkaline are the problem in the group where them want move out the joint.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Come out with the and say, boy, they want try to poison me food. And I say Alkaline and move out the kick off. I say Jamaican and them kick off. I just see like a bomber clot move out the problem, you know.
Bumbo rascal. Jamaica, stop! What me I say now? CJ Milan, right? CJ Milan, she's doing good for dancehall culture.
You don't know what you truth and facts. Big up.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
So I think that about represent fully.
Go on, you don't know one media facts pan you know. Yeah man, you know things said. Is me a bag of thing I go on people. Make we ever go on no?
You know how much friends and family, especially so-called friends when me have to the day when me don't know nothing about her, what them I deal with. Me and them are some like this and them I do what them I do and me I do what me I do. And I never take up my phone and nothing yet and reach out a big friendship from them. And Alka have him own family and friend them and him whole thing I deal with. Me if you're a big friend from, I don't know Alka, bro. You see it? I don't know Alka, me Alka no, bro. Alka is just a part of the music which I am a big fan of. Music. You see it? I saw me know Alka. I never got Alka show yet, so that I see me never see Alka in a real life, bro. So over for days, I'm a big friend from Alka, bro. It's just as simple as say the people them out there fight them on them thing like when I know the man them, brother. I don't know the man them, music for the man them, you know, bro. You think not that serious, and anybody can pick who them want to pick and whatever. Regular me, I'm dog them argue about music, who say what them say and who say what them say, and while I was still there, so I live good. You see it? But why am I gonna get up? Don't fall for a man who I don't know nothing about, and him can't do what I do and can't take care of him own for me.
One gave in. Listen to me now, and this may help you. We need a public apology from you to CJ Milan. You go up on your platform, One gave in, and publicly apologize to CJ Milan.
So J Progress say yo, him have 4 days to apologize. Get serious.
That are the only way it can save you. And that apology needs to come before Reggae Fest Massacre show up on the 15th of August. So whatever you do, I don't know how you go plan it, I don't know how you go do it, but you need to make a public apology to CJ Milan. See what you do to your little thing, you know, youth. You come out here and make 2 little talk and get 2 little views in the blogging and see you fuck up everything, yeah? Because I chatting about thing, you think you can run out and this everybody. Let me tell you something. You have some people in a dancehall, we get them respect. We don't pick no side at all. There's no allegiance to no camp. Them work with Vice Cartel, them work with Mavado, them work with Massacre, them work with Alkaline, them work with every artist. And CJ Milan was one of those person. CJ Milan no pick no side. Straight after Vice Cartel show, CJ Milan got put Alkaline in the same place. And now him Bounty Killer go there, Capleton them go there, and all of these people. And you this CJ Milan, and when CJ Milan went to the same man, Gaza have a problem.
You know see man them want CJ Milan to work with Vice Cartel alone. It come like say CJ no fi book no other artists. Only the artists them where Cartel endorse and we forward pan him show them. And them artists they alone man. Yeah man. Cause them feel like say brother, you think say Cartel alone can't get bookings to represent dancehall worldwide, me G? Artists need have them family too and them family fi feed. Seem like how Vice Cartel have family fi feed. You understand? For sure, no want the genre grow. No want the youths make no money and youths to do great things out there. Is it?
CJ Milan never have no problem with Gaza. And look where you come to now. One Kevin, today is the 10th of August. You have 4 days before the 15th of August to make a public apology to CJ Milan. Believe. Me say, as some know say that boy one gave in a idiot, you know. Watch him. Before this man, try to friend CJ Milan and see if CJ Milan can even find him a little apartment for him live or something like that, or make him do something worthwhile in a music. You understand me? I say the man run got this CJ Milan because when he thinks he must somebody and now the whole Gaza a step away from him and leave him alone like some big old clown. Now him a look for support from everywhere, but nobody know which of it this CJ Milan youth.
Yeah, man, that with them. Them feel like, but him never rate the Gaza, my G. You know, see, say, when you saw this a youth a react, him not, when it comes to music, you know, him highlight nothing. This a youth, yeah, I act them a act and go on like them rate the Gaza and rate Cartel. At that, me I tell you, I act them a act. Few years ago, the man found out and say, yo, no man can get no king a prisoner one bag of thing. Him never said nothing about Vice Cartel, he never show no respect or nothing. Since Vice Cartel found out, you see, so when you see them a do them thing, yeah, them not rate it, that's why you see them do something to make it look bad. You understand? Yeah, man.
CJ Milan never diss nobody yet in a dance hall. No man no hear CJ Milan and diss nobody. And then through your ear Spice now. Attack who CJ Milan is and big up CJ Milan. You get your feeling where they think. Spice will go jump in and this CJ Milan as a because a waste man like you. Now you start outline everything where you do for who from who, not do for who. No one Kevin. You this CJ Milan nobody no rate you. How you go manage now? It was only a matter of time if you this the wrong person. You see? How this thing work? You go have some lines where you don't cross. And one Kevin, you do that. You is nothing but a fucking idiot. The time when you did it, remember you know, first thing, you're not good in America, certain way. You can't travel, you can't do nothing, you not live nowhere. For you try make a link with CJ Milan, to see if she can find you a nice apartment, to see if she can help you out, to get your paperwork good in America, that you can travel out of America somewhere else. No. And remember, you in a position right now, where if CJ Milan want pre-corrupt, CJ Milan make ICE come take you up from where you're there, or CJ Milan make it fence them come take you up. You know and me know. One gave in, you fucker you. You see your views them a drop. Nobody knows.
Boy, J Progress that easy now. Jaja yo.
Support you. You know see that even Gaza fans with you when you got this CJ Milan. Me know you when you fuck up because you use your mouth too much. You got this a woman we have so much respect in a dance hall. Remember one gave in you know nobody you know. You are just one chatting out on social media and you got this a woman we open so much door for dancehall and I put dancehall on the mainstream entertainment wise. CJ Milan is a promoter. How long has CJ Milan been doing this? You are not nobody but you chat too much. So now you run and go this a person you don't realize nobody not support you. All the Gaza people them are back away from you. Nobody not in your corner. Views a drop. Gaza back away from you. Nobody now support you. You look like a clown. The best thing you do, me youth. The best thing you do. Me know one long before you reach you know. Everybody you this seat, you know, you're this a person. We have respect from everybody in a dancehall fraternity. And that are your problem. You think nobody in a dancehall gonna make you blighted what CJ Milan offer to dancehall and you know offer nothing more than chat him out. Look, views a drop. Nobody now watch you. Youth. Best thing me can tell you. Pack up your bag and come have a TikTok, you fucking idiot.
Yo,
Jaja youth.
popcorn, you hear me? Stop make them play butt up and catch with their life, me youth. You see? You know, see a politics them a play with their life, youth. You hear my dog? Just grab off a 10-year like Cartel, man, and go cool out, man. You're international. You are an international artist. You will still make bread. See? Majority of your money what you're making in Jamaica, you see it? You just have to make Jamaica look good, you know? Yeah, dog, well international. See me? Start make them play butt up and catch with your life. Politics ever play with your life. You hear that? And I will heap a pussy there around your way. I be a susu going around you. Know what you do. So me I deal it. Yeah, dog, we don't want no more dark being in music. See? Life don't want to see music live up the place and you them live rich. Yeah? Some of them are pretty.
Well, you must know, you know, me G. You see me? You must know because at the end of the day, you know, everything happen for a reason. Police not just text it pan you just say every day. Look how much dancehall artists in our business. We not see police them depend all of them every day. You understand? Remember, you know, if no dead body or no dead animal no dead, you not see no junk off eat none, you know. You not see no junk off swear around, you know. You understand? So something somehow are going. You see me? Something. They might get some intel about something or what. We don't know about. In due time we are gonna see what going. You see me, as me say? Me hear people are tell him say, yo, Ray, and do him look a thing, but if I understand now, bro, if not now go on overseas, we might go stay over there and do it. You understand? If he not work, we might go over there go do him. Have him yard. When him do does certain energy, him just want to wall out. You see it? You know popcorn things here already, man there in the street like white line. You see me? A bag of man and things. So I must know, you know.
I wonder if Alkaline are the problem in the group where them are move out the joint. Seeing her at Jamil, seeing her a move out. Because I see my father run out with that style, you know. Where a youth, a comedian youth used to use. He was a comedian first, and then I see him that try the music and a par amongst my father them seeing. And I see my father thief the youth style and have the youth style I use it. Seeing every stage when come on, I see have on mask now. People check this at the youth when him ski mask. Him used to rock that style. You see me I deal it. So when Jamil come out with the and I say boy, they must try to poison me food. And I say Alkaline and move out the kick off. I say Jamil and them kick off. I just see like a bumper clad move out of the problem, you know. That's why people want to hear foot talk, you know. Want to listen to what foot hyper say, you know. Seeing the man give dog a listening ears. Because all of a sudden, my father never used to go out on stage in a mask and them bumper class in there. As since they look at you, them ski mask are par amongst them in thief the youth style, thief the boy style. They say me I deal it. And for that, I don't too see ski mask around them again. But I see man just a branch out and their own bumper class thing. I tell you some artists. You see if you don't want to bust the real way, find somebody who willing to invest in a career. Don't run back on an artist because I see artists them, most of them are some pussy them.
Yeah, man, them drain the energy, man, and left you one side, man. You see me? You have to just go and do your own thing and go and build a thing. You see it? Because some of them artists are drain energy, me G. And I see that happen with enough artists. You see it? Yeah, man, do your own thing, man, and keep your energy to yourself. After them drain energy, you know, them about this, you know. Yeah, man.
Remember me tell you about what if a man blood clot style, I said, that's why I don't see the youth back around them.
What me I say now, CJ Milan, right? CJ Milan, she's doing good for dancehall culture. Because CJ Milan have a contract with the Barclays Center. She actually keeping big concerts with dancehall artists in the Barclays Center. She could have used different artists, but she chose to use her dancehall artists and fill out the Barclays Center. That's a big publicity for dancehall. That's a global appeal to dancehall. So when CJ Milan doing these things, us as a people, as Jamaican, as dancehall lovers, we must appreciate and embrace what she do because it benefit the country, it benefit the culture, it benefit all of us. You get me I say? So when she keep a show in the Barclays with other artists, that don't mean that she throwing shades.
Them some of them Gaza, man, one Kevin, them man, Pink Purge, man. I saw them man, they come like some sissy, you know. You understand? You realize say at them alone you see a fall out and at this CJ Milan, you know see? At them are corruption. You see me? At them alone out of Gaza me see a call out CJ Milan and at this her. And if you know say yo, at the same woman ya, make cartel can have the arena them and so. If you do what you have to do. And represent the dancer same way. But them man no want nobody else do it, me G. Them are corruption. They are for mash down the brand. They don't care about the culture. You see it?
At a specific fan base. She's not doing that. Even though she said Gaza fans need to unite, everybody said that. Come on, who alone are behave bad per internet? You see Gully fans them are behave so, you see everybody quiet. You see Alliance are behave so per internet, everybody quiet. You see Crocodile are behave so, everybody quiet. Genocide, what you want to call it, everybody just humble because we all know we all Jamaican first and this is beneficial for all of us. This is dancehall. It's a part of our culture. Most like the thing that Jamaican alone have followed the Barclays Center. You have people from different countries, you know. You have African in the Barclays Center, you know. You have other Caribbean country, you know, Guyanese, you know, Trinidadian in the Barclays Centers, you know. St. Vincent's, you know. Grenadians, you know. There's so much different culture fill up the Bartley Center to be a part of dancehall fun, you know. And then now, we as Jamaicans, we are fine fault and a pine finger on the promoter and I tell promoter bad words and I deal the promoter bad. You can't do that because she make other artists eat food too. Because
That's the problem. Them no want no other artists eat food. A Vice Cartel alone feed food, brother. From Vice Cartel forward out from prison. You no realize say a beer bring down an artist and all of them little thing there. You know, say the man them come like the man them would have, if the man them there one button, if it does get rid of artists them and have Vice Cartel alone. Them do it long time. The man them no want no other dancehall artists do greatness. That's why them get into them motions and do all of these things. You understand? 5 years ago, whenever you there talk about, yo, the artist here, nah go sell out this, the artist here, nah go do this. We never have the mentality there. Since Vice Cartel forward out, them money up on the internet, I bring down heavy artists. I said, yo, Vice Cartel, this and re. Some of them not even they have cartel on their mind. Them just run with a trend now through cartel their road. You understand? So right now, what you see them I do? I just them want to bring down the culture. Remember, say cartel put out report, you know. Cartel have to put out report because nothing had this up Grammy and Keznamdi and Bagger thing, you know. That me I try show you, you know. Somebody with their own cartel, no fee. I have to make cartel put out report, say, yo, if I know him, he manager a lawyer, nobody else can speak for him. And the man then bring down till the man have to put out, say, yo, Grammy this and Grammy that. Just to show you the way them money attack. You understand? Yo, them money are richer than every other artist. Yo, some artists broke, this, that. One vice a beer, what you call it? A beer braggings and this and that. When you see say one artist do have much crowd and perform in front of 40,000 crowd, them forward out. Yo, I lie that. I lie. This and that. A cartel alone to perform in front of thousands of crowd. Nobody else. Cartel feel in a hall arena them. No other dancehall artists. I saw them meds and feel like say the culture just dead and just a grow so. You understand? Everybody have them time in a dancehall. You see me? Enough artists they and gone. We in a reggae dancehall, Bob Marley gone and the music still a live on. You understand? So you can day and stay if he's everything for a longer time, G. You see it?
she put on concert where a lot of promoters not gonna pay these artists those type of money, but she choose to pay them, and she don't owe nobody anything. Me did a video long time. I asked her to have a concert with Massacre with Dexter Daps. You understand? So she listened to us. She listened to us. CJ Milan listened to us as vloggers and TikTok. She listened to all of us. You think she hear me say? You know much insiders email me and inbox me. They listen to us. Believe it. So when I say things, you know, it has a footprint. And people hear what you're saying, because everything that I say in my phone, it become in our dancehall space. Everybody starts seeing it. Most Jamaicans start seeing what I say. Watch my videos and things like that. So we have to be supportive, not just tear down artists and come on, man. We cannot keep on behaving like this, bro. We attacking promoters. What the fuck? What are they all gone to? We don't attack promoters. We congrats them and give them and tell them thank you.
Brother, I'm gonna tell you, say I say go. When it come to the Gaza, them man, yeah, some joke thing, brother. Since we start attack promoters and them, especially if you're a woman like CJ Milan, like, brother, only them could have come do it, my G. I tell you that. Them man no respect no culture, nobody I represent. You understand? Them no care. You see me? Them only want to see Vice Cartel alone win. That's all. You see me?
For help, I like dancehall music. How many promoters book artists? Even regular, that was a big thing for dancehall music, you know. You see me I do video critiques with Cartel though? You see me I do video critiques with Massacre? No, because I know where that Missy say it's a good show, so I'm going to come and say, oh, I'm a bit biased, I can't do that, because I don't want to tear down next man, to put up a next man. I don't want to do that. I don't speak the raw truth. But you can't attack CJ Milan. Understand? She's doing a great job for dancehall music and people, we have to support the show of them. Massacre show going to be a good show. I see it in to do with Killer. They say Killer ticket now sell, and look where Bartley Center full up. You understand? They say Alkaline ticket now sell. Look how Alkaline sold out the show. By himself. So, I could have support the youth them no man. Come on, man. Yeah, man. Sure.
So going on my G, the man, I'm not care about dancehall, no, so them not gonna support nobody, no, brother. I just going on, dog eat dog, a tribalist. You see me? From the get-go, from Alkaline, forward in a game, I be a bring down this, that, ray. For no reason, my G. Them man have no intellect, brother. Them brain dry up. Alkaline just say, yo, him respect Cartel like every other artist, and them use it as a diss. Same like when the CJ say what she say, and the man them take it as a diss and start diss up the woman. Them man, ya brother, them want people for forward out and praise Cartel and this and that, bro. Remember Cartel forward and say, yo, I internet create that, you know. You understand? Them create that. You see it? So, I just want them to you. But people, big up on yourself and respect for support media facts. You see it? You don't know a mad thing. That is it.